Get ready for the strongest foldable smartphone in the world. What's up guys, it's time to get pumped for Samsung's ultimate Galaxy Z lineup, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3. Samsung may have created the world's strongest foldable smartphones in the world. Yes, for the first time, we're going to see an official IP rating on a foldable device. According to this exclusive leak coming via Samawal.com, both Z Flip 3 and Z Fold 3 will offer IP53 water and dust resistant rating. With an official IP rating, this will make both foldable phones splash resistant. Other leaksters have also heard the same thing, so pretty much Samsung is going all out, making both of their upcoming foldable phones splash resistant. Now they are not stopping there. Samsung is about to take the durability all the way to the moon. According to the leak coming via Let's Go Digital, Samsung has officially filed a trademark for a new term called Armor Frame. This points to a super durable upgrade coming for the Galaxy Fold 3. With the Galaxy Z Fold 2, Samsung used aluminum frame, but with the Z Fold 3, we might actually see carbon or even titanium. Having a titanium frame will make the Z Fold 3 significantly stronger than last year's Z Fold 2 with that old aluminum frame. This also means that Z Fold 3 will be able to take a lot more damage compared to the Z Fold 2 in long-term usage. Samsung knows how important durability is when it comes to foldable devices. If you guys remember the original Galaxy Fold, they almost had to recall it because they started breaking. And then with the Z Fold 2, they made sure that nothing like that ever happened again because of the massive durability change. And now with the Z Fold 3, this armor frame that could be titanium, it will make this the strongest foldable smartphone in the world. Samsung is also working hard on the looks of its foldable phones just as much as they're working on the durability. They want to make the Galaxy Z Flip 3 the most prettiest, most fashionable foldable phone ever. According to a new leak coming from Netherlands, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 might offer 8 freaking colors, ranging from gray, white, dark blue, pink, all the way to purple, green, black, and beige. There will be so many options to choose from. It's going to be an absolute visual masterpiece. Now I really hope that Samsung brings all these colors to all markets if possible. Now the last foldable leak of the day is also a pretty important leak. As much as we wanted to see the AMD based Exynos chip inside the Galaxy Z Fold 3, it's probably not gonna happen. According to a good source from Twitter, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will offer Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chip. Just like their previous foldable phones, it seems like Samsung is sticking with a Qualcomm chip. They're probably not even gonna use the Exynos 2100 in international markets. Now the good news is that Samsung might actually unveil the AMD GPU on the same event. It's just not gonna come out inside a product. We'll have to wait for that later down the year. So yeah, Snapdragon it is, but still Samsung, for some reason, they had this top secret code name for the Fold 3 chip as posted by Ice Universe. Something tells me that we may still see some kind of surprise at the event. Again, July is that expected month. Now lastly, get ready for a wave of under-screen camera smartphones. According to Ice Universe, many brands including Samsung, Vivo, Xiaomi, and ZTE will bring under-screen camera smartphones in the second half of this year. Super excited for everything. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below regarding the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe for daily updates, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.